Hey guys, it's your girl Chef Joya and welcome back to Say What? It's Vegan. Today we're gonna be making my vegan lobster egg rolls. And eat it, they be like, say what? It's vegan? So yeah. So for this recipe, this is totally made up right here on the spot. Like I was thinking when I was doing my YouTube video, like I wanna do something with lobster mushrooms. And you always see like the vegan lobster rolls or you see lobster pasta or things like that. But I was like, yo, we gotta elevate these vegan lobsters. So it was like, you know what? Let's make them like a crab ragoon, but we're gonna kind of make it like a lobster pizza inside a crab ragoon. That's what our brain was thinking. So we about to try it out right here today. You know, if it works, it works. If it don't, we're gonna be like, All right. So we're gonna start off by using our lobster mushrooms. Now these you're gonna get seasonal, okay? And they're called a lobster mushroom because they literally smell like seafood, okay? They have the texture of lobster, they have the color of lobster, so that's where it gets its name, lobster mushroom. All right, so we wanna make sure we start off by cleaning our mushrooms. Now I know you hear a lot of times not to stick mushrooms in water, but these mushrooms you absolutely can because they are tough, baby. I get my lobster mushrooms from Fresh and Wild, which is a gourmet culinary online store. You can get everything from here, okay? If you're like an inspiring cook, if you're a chef, if you run, you get everything. They have everything. So make sure you check them out. I'll make sure I put a link below so you know exactly where to get these mushrooms. I'm gonna go ahead and start off by cleaning them. So I have them in a bowl of water, and you can add a little bit of baking soda to the water if you want, but I'm just gonna take a little toothbrush and I'm gonna scrub them down, okay? So we got our lobster mushrooms clean, and now it's time to slice them bad babies up. And because they are going into our egg rolls, we're gonna cut them up really small, all right? But we still want some texture, so we don't want them like too tiny, but we're gonna have them small enough. Now, as I said before, we are making this recipe all the way up, so we're just gonna combine everything that I think should go, you know, and I know my flavors, so I'm already blessed in my soul because something's telling me that this is going to be right, all right? So we're gonna take some vegan butter, and we're gonna use lots of butter, okay? Because don't nobody be eating lobster without butter. You know what I'm saying? You need lots of butter. That's why they be poaching lobster in butter. You know, all that butter sauce in there. And then we're gonna go ahead and immediately we're going to add our lobster mushrooms, okay? We're gonna stir it and let this poach a little bit. But while it's poaching, we're gonna add some seasoning to it, okay? So of course we got our salt, and then we're gonna add some black pepper. We're also gonna use a little bit of garlic powder. All right, we're gonna add some Cajun seasoning. So I'm gonna use my most Cajun spice for this. And then next we're gonna also add some garlic bouillon because we definitely want that nice garlic flavor in there. I just didn't wanna do too much of the granulated garlic, but I just need a little bit of it to make it pop. But this is, I really want to have a lot of garlic flavor. So no, I'm not gonna use a vegetable bouillon. No, I'm not gonna use a vegan chicken bouillon. I specifically want a garlic bouillon. And Chef, I can't find garlic bouillon. Get some mashed garlic. And there you go. I'm gonna go ahead and add some vegan Worcestershire. And you know, if I got the vegan Worcestershire, you already know what's coming next. Yes, some hot sauce. Listen, it's the perfect marriage. No, it doesn't make it spicy. It just creates this reaction in the food that is to die for, okay? Next, I'm gonna go ahead and add some lemon. Then we're gonna go ahead and add some Chardonnay. And we're gonna let that cook up and do its thing for about another 2 minutes, and then we're gonna go ahead and make our mix. All right, so this is reduced way more than half, but it's good though, it's real good. So we're gonna go ahead and add this to the bowl, and then we're gonna go ahead and spruce it up with some seasoning. Now I'm gonna add some tomatoes. So this is 1 Roma tomato. So next we're gonna go ahead and add some green onion, add a little bit of this dry ranch seasoning. And make sure you get one that does not have milk in it, okay? Next, I'm gonna take some vegan Parmesan cheese. Next, we're gonna go ahead and fold in some vegan cream cheese. All right, so we're gonna give this a nice little mix. All right, so let's add some vegan mozzarella to this. All right, so now we're getting ready to wrap our egg rolls, and we're gonna make our little vegan glue or egg wash, because we're not using no egg. So you can use like just egg if you want to, but I'm just gonna take some flour and a little bit of water. It's gonna create like a little paste, and that's gonna be our glue. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and take some of our little glue and go around the edges. We'll take some of our mixture, and we're gonna lay it diagonal. So we can come in, we're gonna fold in the sides like a little envelope, and then we're gonna flip him over. And give him a nice little tuck and roll, tuck and roll. All right, so we're gonna add our gasoline to the pot. I'm just playing. We're gonna to the pot because we're deep frying these babies, okay? We're going for the gold, honey. Make sure our oil is nice and hot. And we're gonna go ahead and add our rolls. Ooh, Stone, so you can try this out. Yeah, I'm recording. Yeah, come in my YouTube. Like, this about to be like Mr. Rogers' neighborhood. We got a visitor. Yeah, wash your hands. So Stone done walked through the door, you know, and he gonna try this recipe out with me too. So, one, two, Your mouth on fire. That is so good. You slurping it?
This is so good. It's cheese and lobster or something. I say shrimp.
Got cheese, has wine.
Wine?
Lots of butter, lemon. Everything that's supposed to be on a
And
lobster.
you just came up with this? How do you do it? No, really, how do you do it?
I don't know.
This is, look at the piece of lobster.
I know. Right, get a close up of that.
Look at the piece of
Get a close up of that.
See the piece of the lobster there. Everybody needs a piece of lobster.
Same. I was thinking if I needed to make a sauce with it, but it's so saucy already. You eat the whole thing?
It's the goosebumps for me.
It's the
I don't understand.
Oh yeah, y'all definitely have to try this recipe out. I'll make sure I'll list everything that I use below. Let me know what you think about this recipe. Like, share, subscribe. Let me know what you want me to cook next time, and I'll see you on Say What Is Vegan. Ciao.